Hello guys, nice to see you again. Welcome to see our HX6000 book block making line. This versatile pressing machine station, and now in the camera you can see double lining sheet lining machine. We could HX2000 could production book block to 70 book blocks per minute, the fastest in China market, and we sold is the most popular book block making line in China. We sold around 50 sets per year, and this is the cold glue device, and that is the hot melt glue device. So